I saw so many happy faces tonight from Atletico and all that stuff. I get that because it's a big win, but it's not over yet. Yeah, I think it was difficult for the ref to deal with the atmosphere tonight. I don't say the header was because of that. They just misjudged it. So that the throw-in was because of that. They just didn't see it or whatever. But a lot of other situations where after 30 minutes, I think 3 Atletico players were already really on the ground and not injured. I'm not disappointed with how we played. I saw much worse games in my life. It was absolutely okay how I said. We were not good enough in the last third. That's it. We think we have a chance. We don't think it will be easy, not at all, because Atletico will have back Joao Felix probably, Diego Costa in different circumstances. We have to see who we can line up, because until then can happen a lot of games. But as long as we can get 11 players in a Liverpool shirt, we will try it with all we have. And yeah, for all Atletico fans who can get a ticket for the game, welcome to Anfield. I'm not sure if Diego saw a lot of the game because he was constantly animating the crowd, but that's exactly we have the other side. So that changed first and foremost everything. If we speak from time to time the power of Anfield and power of a stadium, what the stadium can have, that tonight you saw it. If you want to play like this and if people are happy with how you play, because the whole stadium only wanted the result. The stadium was not there here for seeing sensational football. They wanted the result and they got the result. So they are now happy. In this moment we are not that happy. But if you have to be perfect, we always try to be and fail constantly to be perfect. But we know that things it will take much too long. But I can already tell 5, 6, 7 things which we can not easy do better, but obviously do better. If we do that better, it will be much more difficult. But I have to say there were a couple of good things what Atletico really did. It was
Ya que nos encontraste, no nos pierdas. Suscríbete a nuestro canal de YouTube de Telemundo Deportes.